Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a haul from Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I'm doing a very quick haul from Five Below. And I wanted to show you some of the kits that I received. I am thinking about doing one of them as a giveaway or adding it to my giveaway. So let's just show what we got here. So I have Stitch. Stitch is coming back. I did the Halloween Stitch and now I have the Santa Stitch. So we're going to be making this before the holiday. So wish me luck. I have a lot of kits to go through, as you know. So this one, I'm going to throw in between the Nightmare Before Christmas ones. So I'm trying to, I have a running list and I'm trying to fit everything that's Christmassy in there because I don't want to be late posting these. Alright, so the next ones are more winter, but they're pretty quick. So I am going to throw them in between all these Christmas kits. So first we have Polar Baby. This has been a viewer request and I finally have it. Again, you guys, if you do not want to wait for me to get these kits, because you could be waiting quite some time, especially with my long list, I highly recommend you just email me clear instructions and I'll be able to help you out that way. Alright, so we have this. Then we have another itty bitty knit kit. This was another viewer request. I have the penguin. So this one I'm actually going to do before the polar bear. And again, the itty bitty knit kits I'm going to try to slide in between the Christmas kits, because these are more like winter. But we can always, winter to me is after like January, February. But I'll try to fit them all in. Okay, the next one, I don't know if this is gonna make Christmas. This one's gonna this is Foxy, another itty bitty knit kit. This might come after Christmas, so I have that. This had been requested, but it's at the bottom of my list right now. And then last but not least, this is probably what I'm gonna do in a giveaway. I thought about keeping this, but there's not enough room on this in my place, as well as in this camera frame here. This is a DIY Christmas crochet wreath, and I wish I can show you the whole thing, but I'm just gonna slide the box around so you can see. Look how beautiful that is. And again, I thought about doing this, but I think I'm just gonna save it. I'm doing a giveaway. If you're on Hooked on Needles and Crafts for the past how many videos, so I know it's out there. I'm sure all of you have seen it. If not, you didn't have the volume on. But I have this running giveaway on my original channel. And it's a 18-week NFL football giveaway. We are now on week 14. Now I said 18, but I'm going to be done with the football stuff in the next 2-3 weeks. So the giveaway is going to be over in 2 or 3 weeks. So what I was doing with all the videos, and it's marked in the description box below, I was sharing the giveaway that I'm doing. I'm going to be picking a craft winner on top of a nail art winner, and they're going to be receiving a lot of goodies on top of a gift card and a 1-hour StreamYard session to go over any projects that you happen to be stuck on, or if you are inspired to start a channel, if you need help with that, or if you're currently running a channel and you need some advice. So I did share that with you guys, and I don't know if you can catch up with the contestants. I think so far we probably have like about one person that made it over the 50-yard line. You have to vote every week on which teams are going to win or lose. So I don't know if there's enough games on the rest of the giveaway for you to catch up. So unfortunately, you're going to have to wait for another giveaway, but I think I'm going to throw this into my current one. This is pretty cool. 13 pieces polyester yarn, 1 piece round metal ring, fiber fill, crochet hook. What's a darning needle? Coated flower wire, and 1 instructional sheet. And look, I'm assuming these are the color spools that they have. Yeah, this would be a fun project, but this looks like it would be a long project. And I kind of made the mistake of doing long projects in the beginning of my channel. If this is hooked on Needles and Crafts, I didn't do it on that one, but I did start a bouquet of flowers, which is gorgeous in the photo, and building flower by flower, it was looking great, but I stopped because there was not enough time to do any of that. So that is actually on the back burner for indefinitely. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you and when I do these kits. Again, if you have any requests, leave a comment below. But if you don't want to wait for me to find those kits, you can always send me clear images via email. My contact info is in the description box. Oh, there's a little asterisk. Now that I've been more tight-knit on the copyright situation, I do get comments and emails about sending instructions and stuff. I'm not trying to resell or anything. When I do my videos, I just show you how to do stitches. I teach you the stitches and I teach you how to read the instructions. I'm not giving any whatchamacallit, I'm not giving any details on the instructions, of course, due to copyright. So when you send them to me, it's in best I don't know, I guess at this point the honor code, right? That I'm not trying to recreate these for the masses to be free material. You have to go and get them, unfortunately. So, at any rate, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.